Go.
Now, we've had many other Surya Yagnas like this one before. What was different about today for you?
Today, that as I mentioned in the beginning, that nature was very kind to us. Sky was crystal clear, millions of stars. Had we done this one in the beach on the clear day also, because of the lights, we could not have seen so many stars.
Yeah.
We are. I felt we were connected.
Nature's magic. Yeah.
Nature's magic. It was not too windy.
Yes.
And it's like a forest on the top of the mountain. I felt like we are doing in Himalayas.
Wow. What gives you so much confidence that, terrible students like me will be able to do 108 or even beyond? What gives you the confidence?
I have experienced myself. I practiced initially that I used to, when I started doing Surya Namaskar, 10. I can't do any more than that one. Slowly I started pushing myself. Then I thought, when I can push myself, why not others? That I did not give you option. That it was flowing. You had no choice but to flow. Get on with the flow. That when you get on with the flow, it opens up. Yeah.
I believe it's a very selfless act that you do because you yourself are not really getting the benefit of exercising Surya Namaskara, but you're watching your hundreds of students do it. Personally, what do you get out of this?
No, that suppose you do 108 Surya Namaskar at home alone, you'll get a benefit of 108 Surya Namaskar alone.
Yeah.
Today, more than 200 people were there,
Yeah.
and every one of us got the benefit of doing 200 times 108.
Yes.
That benefit, that collective energy, that's the collective energy. And what I got, that I did Surya Namaskar through all of you, that whatever you experienced, I also experienced that one.
See, Guru is
Yeah.
Chela, Chela is Guru.
No,
Over here.
that collective energy. If you
Yes.
do alone, it's a benefit of one person. When you do it synchronized, it's a benefit of. It is called as yajna, Surya yajna. Yajna means collective, doing collectively for a higher cause.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And looking ahead, where else we've done the beach and we've done the mountains. Now, what else are you thinking of? Don't take us to Everest. Where are you planning to take us next?
Next March, I have been invited to Himalayas for a seminar. Yoga festival is happening in Rishikesh. And maybe I would like to do it if possible in Himalayas.
Wow.
And those who can come. Otherwise, we'll continue to do here.
Wonderful. I think on behalf of all the students, I just want to sincerely thank you. It was actually a divine experience and we felt the magic of nature. And it's all through you. So you get the credit. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And without the students' participation, that my effort would have been futile. And thank you for all the students and you also. Thank you.
Guruji.
Thank you.